Welcome to Carteret Mobile Park, my home in Carteret. Welcome back. Today I want to show you this beautiful house that's under construction. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's at lot M10, but we're building a very similar one right next door at lot M9. So that's why I want to show you this house as a model for the one that's coming. Come on in. The interesting highlight about this particular house, this is a model, like I said, for the house that's coming next door at lot M9, is that we've been able to add front porches. This is a new era in Carteret Mobile Park's housing options. We're really excited. Front porches are so cute, and it just happened to fit the way that this set up on the lot. So the house next door is about 850 square feet. Now let's take a look at the living room. Come on in. Some of the things that we do once the house is put together is to spackle the marriage line. So here's Ricardo. Say hi. Hi. He's working on getting the house ready for the homeowners, and we'll be doing that same thing in the house next door. This house comes in a way that we will finish the flooring. The flooring is a laminate flooring. So again, here's the marriage line. The two pieces of the house come in 2 different units down the highway, and then we put it all together. So this is your living room, and you've got a fan there. And over here, you really have to take a look at this spectacular kitchen. This kitchen is in white cabinetry. For the new house that's coming, we did a gray cabinetry and a light wood floor. You are going to love it. It's drop dead gorgeous. So the lady of this house chose her cabinetry, and you will have the same setup. The Whirlpool refrigerator, the Whirlpool dishwasher, this beautiful countertop, and this corner looking out to the neighborhood. It's going to be lovely. Then over here you've got your Whirlpool stove and your Whirlpool microwave. Lots of counter space, lots of all wood cabinetry, and you can move the pieces inside. So this kitchen is so huge you could put your kitchen table here. The beautiful little piece about this house is you've got this perfect little laundry room where you can close the door and not hear any of the noise from the washing machine. And it's really a mud room. So this mud room now goes and exits to the patio area where you can have your little dinette set or your little lounge chairs or whatever else you like to have. So this is your back door, a 9-light back door, and you'll put your own washer and dryer in the house. This is a extra little bonus linen closet or pantry since it's close to the kitchen. And you've got your hot water heater here and your furnace over here. So everything's centrally located. This is the way that we designed the house so that the bathroom is got a bathtub. Whenever we do 2 baths, we usually do one as a shower stall and one as a bathtub. So this is the 1-piece fiberglass unit, and you've got your transom window above. This countertop is so pretty. Now let's go look at the master bedroom. This closet runs the whole length of this wall. Lots of space. Now remember, I've said it on many other videos, lots of things come in the house that they travel here and then we have to put in once the house arrives. So you've got a lot of gear on the ground. I'll make some room for you so you can step by. There's glassware. You've got shower doors we still have to install. Now take a look at this bathroom. This is enormous. And here's that shower stall that we were talking about. So we still have to put the glass doors up. And we did the vinyl on gypsum wallpaper. This is good for a moisture barrier. And this is a new highlight. I am really loving this cabinetry. This is kind of like your cosmetic box or medicine cabinet. It's got lights under here. Everything you see and the way that they transport is with these little rubber bands to hold everything together while it's traveling on the highway. So the counter matches this really pretty little piece up here for decorative appeal. I'm really loving this bathroom. How about you? Okay, let's take a look at the other area. The last part to show you is the second bedroom. And this is actually pretty large. The floor is this concrete stamp kind of a look in the darker version. The new house has a lighter stamped concrete look. And again, here's your closet on this side. The windows are thermopane window. I have them all open because the air isn't on yet, but all the windows come with these little balances and blinds. Really pretty. And this is the indigo balance. And we do the bypass doors. Aren't they pretty? I like that decoration on the top, that little angle. And it mirrors what's on all the doors on the inside. Makes it really elegant. So this has dome lighting on top. We can do LED lighting in some of them. And we have, let's wrap it up in the kitchen. That's usually the highlight. So this is where I like to tell you the rest of the story. The rest of the story is you have to email me at info@dolanhomes.com. The reason is I'm going to give you a lot of information written down. It's too much to go over with people on the phone. I'm getting too many phone calls. And YouTube has really helped dispel the trailer trash stigma that most people assume from manufactured homes. We're more like a modular home than the mobile homes of bygone era. Mobile homes and trailers really followed the RV code of construction, whereas manufactured homes followed your stick-built and your modular home construction. So our code is under the federal government's HUD code, and we build with 6 inches of insulation, the thermopane windows I mentioned before, all energy efficient appliances. So this is the home of your dreams. It is not a mobile home. And I will correct everybody who mentions trailer, because it's not. So email me, you have to read the whole thing. There's a lot of YouTube links there to show you all the houses that we're selling. And then if you're interested in purchasing, you will have to email me for the 15 pre-qualifying questions. Because we're selling a higher end housing option than most people expect, I'm trying to screen people and make sure that everybody has the right credit score and the right criteria to be able to purchase one of our homes. So then that's the second step. The third step is you would come in, make an appointment. I see everybody by appointment only, and then I'll give you a tour of whatever houses we have available. This house is not available right now. It's a construction site, which is why we're doing the YouTube videos, because we don't want anyone to get hurt while they're walking around and we're working on the houses. And then you fill out the resident application. Once you're approved, I will give you 3 New Jersey manufactured home loan providers who we know of. You are welcome to use whoever you want, but in this business, as long as we've been in it, we know of 3 who provide manufactured home loans in a land lease community. That's key. So if you're going to go to your bank, ask them for a loan on a manufactured house in a land lease community. Pretty much they say no. So that's why I provide these 3 companies who do this. We are not affiliated with them in any way. We do it to help our home buyers. We do not get any financial benefit from any of these companies that we give to you. We're here to make the American dream affordable, quality, innovative houses available to everybody. So join us. You can look at our website. It's www.dolanhomes.com. In Carteret, it's myhomeincarteret.com. And again, my email is info@dolanhomes.com. We look forward to having you join us.